Hi everyone. I want to record about these questions 14 past year. P, Q, and R are 3 points in the space where PQ equals to vector A and PR equals to vector B, given that vector A equals to 2i plus 2j minus k and vector B equals to I plus 2j plus 2k. First, A, find the area of the triangle PQ and R. And B, find the parametric equation of the line L passing through the point R203 and parallel to vector A. If vector U equals to magnitude of B times vector A plus magnitude of A times vector B, and vector V equals to magnitude of A times vector B minus magnitude B times vector A. Evaluate vector U times dots vector B and vector V. Hence, interpret the geometrical relationship between vector U and vector V. Okay. Now we can draw a triangle first. Almost in this answer sheet like this. Just put P because of PQ equals to A and PR is equals to B. So P is the dominant. So we attach to 2 points. So we must put P at here, then R and Q. We can just simply put only lah. Put at where also can. So PQ is vector A, PR is vector B. If you want to change also can. Okay, so we know that how to find the triangle is A using the formula 1 over 2 magnitude of vector A cross vector B. Then how to get vector A cross vector B using the matrices method to find it. So we'll IJK, then we will following by the vector A is 2, 2, -1, and 1, 2, 2 for B. Then when we want to find I, we didn't see these two. We assume has 2, -1, 2, 2. We copy back and state I. So this is like the matrices lah. So as well for the J, also like this. Then we will get 2, -1, 1, 2. And when K, we also like this. K also get like this. We didn't see this, so we'll get 2, 2, 1, 2, K. And after that, we're using the matrix method to get, we will get 6 I minus 5J plus 2K. Then how to get the magnitude? We use surd 6 square plus -5 square plus 2 square equals to surd 65. So we can substitute inside the area of the triangle at here. So it's 1 over 2 surd 65 equals to 4.03 unit square. Okay, 4.3 unit square. This is the final answer. Okay, then we see the B. Find the parametric equation of the line L passing through the points R203 and parallel to vector A. Okay, so we want to find the parametric equation. So we must using this R equals to A plus TV. So this point R203 is represent by this, is represent this vector A inside this general equation, not this A lah, 2i plus 2j minus k is represent to this general equation, and this vector A is represent the vector V, this one, this vector V. Okay, so now we substitute inside these equations. So A is 2i plus 3k because j is 0, so we didn't state it. And T times V, 2i plus 2j minus k, which is A from the questions. Vector A from the questions. How about vector R? This is unknown, so we can know that vector R is known as xi plus yi plus zk. So we can compress it and add up. So it's 2 plus 2t. This t multiple multiply inside times inside. So we'll get 2t. So 2 plus 2ti, and j is here is 0, 0 plus 2t. So it's 2ti plus 3 minus dk. So we'll get these equations. Then parametric equations once this compare with the I. So x equals to 2 plus 2t, y equals to 2t, then z equals to 3 minus t. Okay, this is the parametric equation. Okay, so after that, we will get this. This is the final answer. How about C? So we need to do this vector u and vector v out. So magnitude of A equals to 2 square plus 2 square plus negative 1 square, which is set 9, we can get 3. And also set A is equals to set B is 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square equals to 3 lah. You will get, after that you will get 3. So we see the U, vector U. Vector U state that it's 1 to magnitude B times vector A plus magnitude of A times vector B. So we just doing lah. This one we can using it as a to represent I, J, and K lah. So like the matrices one. So I, J, and K. So we just, this is the magnitude. This is the vector A, and this one is vector B. So 3 times inside is 6, 6, negative 3 plus 3, 6, 6. Okay, so we will get 6 plus 3 equals to 9, 9i, and 6 plus 6 equals to 12j, and negative 3 plus 6 will get 3k. So this is the U, and the V. We also do same like this at the vector U. 3 substitute the magnitude of A times B and magnitude of B times A, vector A. So we will get negative 3i plus 9k. Okay, so the question asks about dots. So means that this is a scalar vector, so that we using this form to solve it. 9 times negative 3 plus 9, this I and this I times up. 9 times negative 3 plus 12 times 0 plus 3 times 9. So this one again, negative 27 plus 0 plus 27 equals to 0. Okay, this is very important. Then we will get vector u times dots vector v equals to 0. When you go back to see the lecture notes about this, it will says it is perpendicular to each other lah. Okay, this okay. So it's 90 degree to each other, also perpendicular to each other lah. Okay, thank you everyone.